The Cash App has a system in place to monitor potential unauthorized transactions, which may sometimes detect your transactions as security risks and decline them to protect you. In such cases, the app will send a notification to confirm whether you recognize the transaction. And if you do, you can proceed with it. However, if you enter incorrect card details, such as the CVV number, expiration date, or card number, your credit card will be declined. To resolve this, simply re-enter the correct details. Additionally, if you've entered the correct information but the Cash App still declines your card, it's possible that your credit card is not supported. You can contact the Cash App support team to check if your credit card is compatible, and they can be reached at 1-800-969-1940 from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. every day. These are some of the reasons why your credit card may not work on the Cash App.